Made an awesome mobile app but not getting enough installs? Don't get disheartened. At first, it happens to everyone, but eventually it changes. Did you know that apps sometimes take 14 to 21 days to get 100 installs? But once strategic marketing is done, there is no looking back. Remember, to get maximum app installs, you need to inform your potential users about it. They know about your app, they install it and they use it. And marketing makes this task even easier. So work strategically and invest in clever marketing to get noticed, create awareness, convince users for app installation. But wait, is that all? What if the number of app installs make you smile? Will you stop marketing your app? Well, no. Throughout your project, awareness about your solution is a must. The same is true for marketing. It will help your app to stay installed. Did you know that almost 77% of apps are uninstalled within 3 months of installation? Some uninstallation reasons are poor app quality, slow loading, security issues, inadequate marketing, and etc. So marketing will be very essential to get installed and remain installed. So start promoting your app today. Are you ready to maximize your app installs? Are you interested in preventing app uninstalls? Well, Majoritives got you covered. Here are some tips that you can follow. App Store optimization is strengthening brand's presence, social media marketing, influencer collab, content marketing, freemium approach, refill marketing, SMS and email marketing, and much more. Do you want to learn more about these marketing techniques? So find the blog in the video description and start reading it today.